You are deeply immersed in a welding project when suddenly, there's a blinding, burning light. The feeling of hot sand filling your eye sockets creates a pain that is so intense, you're on the verge of clawing your eyes out. This is called arc flash, and if you've never heard of it, then you may not be aware of just how critical proper eye and face protection is during welding. Hello guys, today in this video we are going to help you find out the best welding helmet in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to see their price and out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 1. Linkin Electric Welding Helmet. If you're looking for the best all-round welding helmet, then look no further than the classic Linkin Viking 3350. It's an established model in the welding community and is used by professionals in all industries. This is the 4th generation, which is the best value, but Linkin have just introduced the 5th generation that includes an advanced digital controls, work light and Bluetooth tech. Linkin Electric's updated Viking 3350 offers the best optical clarity among high-end welding helmets. It rates as 1/1/1/1. This ranking means your image will not distort in any way. However, the color and light transmission are almost identical to the ESAB Sentinel A50. So, Optrel and Miller have a transmission advantage over the Viking 3350, which is worth noting since the 3350 is more expensive than the Miller Digital Infinity. Still, many welders prefer Linkin's 4C technology, and they still enjoy excellent color accuracy. Linkin designed the Viking 3350 for heavy-duty work, not just precision welding. The shell is durable and features a simple, low-profile design. This hood can be showered with sparks and molten debris daily and survive for years. Also, Linkin Electric redesigned the headgear with a new K3034-4 model of the 3350, making it more comfortable and easier to adjust. Just be sure you buy the new matte black version, not the old glossy version. Number 2. Sentinel A50 Welding Helmet. If you are a professional or you just want a high-end welding helmet with an eye-popping low price, the ESAB Sentinel A50 is your best option. It's the least expensive professional helmet designed for heavy-duty use and precision TIG welding. Only the Optrel Panoramax and Miller Digital Infinity are better with color and light transmission. So, the Sentinel A50 does qualify as a premium auto-darkening welding helmet. The view quality is best when TIG welding. The bluish tint and crystal clear image let you see the tiniest details. You can easily spot the most nuanced burn and bubble or sense when your weld pool has pores shielding gas coverage. ISAB built every aspect of their Halo headgear to increase comfort and adjustability from the ground up. The Sentinel A50 matches the comfort level of high-end welding helmets from Miller and Optrel. But the Sentinel A50 is not well suited for people with large heads. Size can be subjective, but consider an Optrel helmet if you've had issues finding a hood large enough to fit your head before. The spherical lens gives the Sentinel its characteristic cool factor. But the lens is also responsible for increased light transmission and helmet's durability, and sparks easily slide off the spherical lens. However, these lenses are a double-edged sword. The internal glare is more pronounced, and replacement lenses are more expensive than standard rectangular lenses. Number 3. 3M Speedglass Welding Helmet. The Speedglass 9100 is the most durable auto-darkening welding helmet. 3M designed it for mining, marine, transportation, and heavy manufacturing. If you want a helmet that can handle demanding work in rough industries, the Speedglass 9100 is a good choice. The included 9121 ADF offers excellent color and light transmission on par with the ESAB Sentinel and the Linkin Electric 3350. But, it provides a DN3 shade, while ESAB comes with a DAN4 rating and Linkin a DAN 3.5. Still, the Speedglass 9100 costs about the same as the Optrel Panoramax CLT and has poorer view quality. So, the Speedglass 9100 makes sense when you need maximum durability. Optrel and ESAB couldn't endure the same working conditions 3M designed the Speedglass 9100 to withstand. The headgear is well designed and features padded headbands to distribute pressure evenly. However, some head shapes may require more fiddling to find the sweet spot. The helmet includes an external grind button and huge side windows. 3M designed the entire build to improve productivity in adverse environments. But, the 3M Speedglass 9100 also excels as a precision welding helmet thanks to the best TIG rating on the market. So, while expensive, you get an all-rounder hood for pretty much every job. Number 4. Jackson Safety Darkening Helmet. The Translite Plus 555 is a relatively new welding helmet from Jackson Safety. So, it hasn't proven itself over many years like other helmets from Miller, Linkin, ESAB, or Optrel. But, it's inexpensive, supports true color technology, and comes from a reputable brand. With this hood, you get an extensive view area that matches Linkin's Viking 3350, which improves light transmission, especially with a 1/1/1/1 optical rating. Additionally, the Translite Plus is rated for TIG welding down to 3A. So, unless you do meticulous, fine work, the helmet will trigger the ADF. The shell and ADF are relatively light, considering the size of the filter lens. But, the headgear is too light. A basic headgear design helps when you reach inside the helmet to adjust the ADF, but it also makes the helmet less comfortable. The Miller Digital Infinity and the Linkin Viking have more adjustability and offer a better fit. Also, this helmet has an external combo grind button with a dial around it. The dial is an external adjustment for your shades, which is handy. But, the external grinding button is too small, and the ring around a small button in the center means it's too easy to hit the dial and unintentionally change your shade setting. Number 5. ISAB Black A40 Welding Helmet. Fourth place on my list of the best welding helmets is the Black Savage A40. The Black Savage A40 offers exceptional protection, and at only $139, it won't cost you an arm and a leg. Here's a quick rundown of the Black Savage A40's top features. 1/1/1/2 optical clarity lens. The A40 welding helmet delivers an outstanding view of your work with its 1/1/1/2 lens and adjustable DIN 9 to 13 range. It's got 4 arc sensors, giving it ultra-fast auto-darkening response times. Wide field of vision. The A40's large 100 by 50 mm, 3.93 by 1.96 inches, viewing area is great for maintaining a wide field of vision and spatial awareness when working in tight spaces. Sensitivity control. The delay and sensitivity of the lens are fully adjustable from the inside. The adaptable sensitivity is helpful when welding low-amp TIG as it reacts better to darker arc light. Full delay control. The adjustable delay feature on this machine is a great way to save time. Set a longer delay for high-amp welding and a shorter delay for tack welding. It'll help you work faster and smarter. The Black Savage A40 is a fantastic choice if you're looking for a hood that won't flash you and won't break the bank.